Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to our channel, then make sure you go and click the red subscribe button down below and also tap on the bell icon so that you will be notified for each and every video that I'll be uploading hereafter. I know I'm giving the same intro, but yeah, we have no other go. Alright, so yeah, today's video is going to be the summer tips for skin and hair. So I'm just quickly gonna give you guys some tips to protect your hair and skin from the sun, from the pollution and everything. So if you want to know the tips, then continue watching. So yes guys, first I have some tips for hair. Alright, so the first tip I'm gonna tell you guys is wash your hair at least every 3 days, once in 3 days. Alright, because it's summer, we are going out and there'll be a lot of pollution and also we sweat a lot. So make sure you wash your hair every 3 days and also invest in a very good shampoo. And I have heard that L'Oreal, what is that? What's the name of it? Total Repair. Yeah, L'Oreal Total Repair shampoo is almost good for everyone. Even my sister-in-law told me that. So yeah, you can try that as well. So yeah, wash your hair every 3 days. If you just don't want to use a lot of shampoo, just wash it with water. That is more than enough. So number 2. Yes, I already told you, use a shampoo that cleans your hair really well. There are people who use Sigacai. I just don't know the English name of it, so I'll just find it and put it down here. So yeah, there are people who use Sigacai and all those stuff. Even that is really good for your hair. Shampoos has a lot of chemicals. So if you are using a shampoo right now and if you feel like that is one of the best shampoo that you have ever used, then you can just stick with that. You just don't need to keep switching your shampoos. I just don't like switching my shampoos quite often. So Pantene is a shampoo that I've been using from my childhood. I don't know why, I'm just sticking with that. I'm not using any other shampoo basically. So this is a shampoo that cleans up your hair perfectly and remove all the dirts from your hair. That is so important because it's summer, a lot of pollution, you'll have a lot of dirts and gunks and so many bad things on your hair, and make sure you're using a good shampoo. So number 3rd tip is do not use a lot of shampoo. This tip is not only for summer but for every time, winter, monsoon, whatever it may be. Do not use a lot of shampoo. I basically don't use a lot of shampoo. I love Pantene, but yeah, I just use only a little bit. Whenever I take head bath, I usually apply a lot of oil and do hot oil massage. But the thing is, I just don't want to wash off my oil completely. If you use a lot of shampoo, there are chances of hair fall and all those stuff. Use a good shampoo, but do not use a lot of shampoo. I hope you get it. And the 4th tip is do not leave your hair free when you're going out. Alright, because as I said, pollution, dust, dirt and all those stuff. If you leave your hair free while you're going out, I heard that you might get dandruff, but I'm not very sure about that. I don't have dandruff, I just have lice in it. I have a lot of them and recently I just got rid of some of them. So yeah, whenever you're going out, make sure you put a bun like this and then just go out. The 5th tip, whenever you're going out, just make sure you cover your hair with scarf. That is really important. There are times I forget to cover my hair and face with scarf, but yeah, that happens. But make sure you're doing that at least 90%. Like if you're going out 7 days in a week, then try to do that at least 5 days in a week. And these are the tips that I would tell you for hair. But other than that, I would ask you to use a good conditioner, but do not use that on your scalp. Use that only on the roots and below your scalp. You can use a heat protection spray, but I just don't do all those things. I just wash my hair every 3 days. I use conditioner. I just cover my hair with scarf. I just tie a bun whenever I'm going out, and I don't use a lot of shampoo. These are the things that I do for me, but if you want, you can use heat protection spray and all. So yeah, that is it for hair. And we have for skin. The first tip I would tell you is cleanse your face with cold water. Even if you are cleansing your face with hot water, make sure you rub ice cubes onto your face, because ice cubes basically close your pores. When you are going out, there are chances for dirt to go into your pores and damage your face and cause breakouts and all those stuff. So just wash your face with cold water often. If you're working in an office, you think that you can wash your face and quickly put on your makeup, then you can just do that at least every 4 hours maybe. So wash your face with cold water, and that close your pores and no dirt and no germs will affect you. Alright, the second tip is use a proper cleanser at least 2 times a day, in the morning and when you're coming home at night basically. So use a proper cleanser. Do not change your cleanser quite often, like don't change it every month. Alright, if you are liking a cleanser and if you think that that works really good for you, then do not change that. Use it for quite some time, and if you want to change, then you can change it, but do not change it quite often, and use a very good cleanser. Right now I'm using my Neutrogena cleanser, so that really helps. It removes the dirt and everything from your face, and that is what we basically want. If there are so much of dirt and gunks in your face, and that damages your skin and you'll get a lot of breakouts, and we just don't want that. So use a cleanser at least 2 times a day. And the third one is use a good toner. I'm using the Biotic Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. You guys know that toner is really important. Toner removes the dirt from your face. During summer you'll get a lot of dirt on your face, so it's very important for you to use a toner, and also it tightens your pores so that it will not let a lot of dirt to sit on your face and go inside the pores and cause so many damages. So use your toner. If you don't have a toner, you can try this one or VLCC one, or I guess even Innisfree and all those brands have toners, so you can try that as well. But this one is on the affordable side, and I'm using this. It's almost gonna get over. After this bottle I'll try the VLCC one because I haven't tried that yet. So the first tip we have is moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin is really must. You might think that it's summer, it's already oily, why should I use a moisturizer? It's not like that. You should use a moisturizer. Even before your makeup, use a moisturizer. That makes your foundation to blend really well and stay on your face really well. So yes, use a very good moisturizer and moisturize your face. Your skin should always be moisturized, should always be hydrated. Alright, and the fifth one is always scrub your face, not like daily. If you have a daily scrub, you can scrub your face daily, of course. So if you do not have a daily scrub, you can scrub your face every week, like once in a week. You can simply make your scrub at home with sugar and all those stuff. You can make your own scrub and you can scrub and exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating your skin removes the oil and all those stuff. So if you haven't watched my daytime, nighttime and Sunday skincare routine and all, just go and watch that. I have told you the benefits of exfoliating, so that will be useful for you. Next tip is cover your face while going out. That is really important. Not only your hair, alright, your face. You should also cover your face. Even if you use sunscreen, scarf is really important. I think scarf protects me a lot from sun. Just cover your face whenever you're going out. Next tip is do not wear a lot of makeup. Just use a minimal amount of foundation. If you want, you can just go and watch my summer makeup look video. You sweat a lot and anyway your foundation will wear off, so we just don't want that. So wear a little bit of foundation, don't use a lot of foundation. And the next one is wash your hands and use hand sanitizers. Both of them are very important because your hands are prone to dirt and germs. So yes, basically wash your hands quite often using a very good hand wash and sanitize your hands. Use a hand sanitizer quite often. I have told you this in so many of my videos that you should use a hand sanitizer. Always carry a tissue with you or a blotting paper maybe. So if you are going out, you know that you'll sweat a lot during summers. So just take a blotting paper or tissue and just pad it, alright? And just remove the sweat and everything, the dirt and everything from your face, and that is quite important. I use tissues, I just don't use blotting paper. I just use those pocket tissues which I've showed you in my what's in my bag videos. Next tip is sunscreen. You should use a sunscreen, guys, and there are so many people coming and telling me that I'm not using sunscreen so I've become tan, what should I do and all those stuffs. So yes, I have told you so many times, use sunscreen. Do not skip sunscreen, guys. That is so important. Always use sunscreen. Not only sunscreen, try to use products that has SPF in it, like the foundation that has SPF, the CC or BB cream that has SPF. Try to incorporate that. If you can't get everything that has SPF, no problem, just use a sunscreen. One of you guys asked me, I'm using CC or BB cream with SPF, then do I need to use sunscreen separately? Yes, you need to use sunscreen separately, because those CC or BB creams might have only SPF 15, 20 or 30 like that, but that is really not enough for you. So use a 50 plus sunscreen, because the sun is so bad. If you get tanned, alright, if you feel like that your covered part or lighter than your uncovered part, that means you're tanned, alright. So immediately do a detan facial. You just really do not need to visit a parlor for that. You can do that at home as well. I'll try to make a video on that. That is what I do to detan my face. I just do a lot of detan face packs and all. I'll try to post a video on that. Detan your skin immediately when you feel like that you're tanned. And the last tip is drink a lot of water. If you guys are following me on my Instagram, then you know that I always keep telling that I'm drinking 3rd bottle, I'm drinking the 4th bottle of the day and all those stuffs. Always keep a water bottle near you, like a half a liter or 750 ml or 1 liter. I always carry a 750 ml of water bottle. I just keep it with me, and I just try to drink at least 4 liters a day. Because I'm a chubby girl, so I need to drink 4 liters of water a day. But make sure you're drinking at least 3.5 liters of water a day. That is so important, because it's summer, you'll get dehydrated and you'll get every problem just because of dehydration. So you just don't want that. Or I just follow so many things to make sure that I'm hydrated well, that I'm drinking a lot of water. I just do some things. So if you want to know the tips and tricks, drink 4 liters of water a day, just to let me know. I'll try to do that video. So yes, drink water. That is so important. So important. Drink a lot of water. I'm stressing it. Drink a lot of water. Alright, that is it for today's video, guys. These are all the things that I follow basically to keep my skin and hair really good during this summer. So I would definitely ask you to do this as well. And yeah, so I hope you have seen all my summer special videos that I've uploaded already. There are like more than 6 videos. So if you want, you can go and check that out. The links will be in the description box and everything. So yes, see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Kirti.